Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to install Odoo for protection using Docker. First, install Docker on your machine with sudo apt install docker.io or follow Docker's docs for your OS. Now install Docker Compose using sudo apt install docker-compose or follow the Docker Compose installation guide. After that, create a directory for Odoo with the code on screen. Create a docker-compose.yml file in the directory with Odoo and PostgreSQL services. Next, set the Odoo image version in docker-compose.yml using Odoo 16. Add PostgreSQL configuration with a database name, username, and password in docker-compose.yml. Then, run docker-compose up to pull images and start containers for Odoo and PostgreSQL. Here, access Odoo by opening localhost 8069 in your web browser. Secure your installation by configuring a reverse proxy, SSL, and backups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.